Two 747s, one runway, zero visibility, and one chilling miscommunication. March 27, 1977. A terrorist bombing diverts multiple flights to a tiny airport in Tenerife. Chaos on the ground. Fog rolling in. Runway jammed. A KLM 747 begins takeoff. At the same time, a Pan Am 747 is taxiing on the same runway. But the fog is so thick, they can't see each other. Seconds later, "583 people die due to one misunderstanding and one moment of impatience." Today's strict cockpit communication rules, they were written in the smoke of this disaster.